Domestic reveals a surprising trick. Only alcohol with toilet paper. To start our tip today, I will add 200 milliliters of alcohol in a container. Alcohol is essential for removing dirt from all surfaces that we'll use, and only this amount is enough. I'll also add a tablespoon of baking soda. Bicarbonate has a great decreasing action. If you also use this mixture in the kitchen, it will prove very useful, even from the stove, to remove all dirt. Now we will also add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, being ideal for use in the tip. By acting directly with the effect of baking soda, bringing all the alkaline effect that the mixture needs for its efficiency. Let's mix well until the baking soda is diluted. To finish, I will also put a lid of fabric softener, equivalent to 25 milliliters. You can use the one of your choice. Is the fabric softener. That will bring that good smell of laundry and clean home in all places that use this mixture. Let's mix one last time until all ingredients are mixed. Now I'm going to use a roll of toilet paper. I'm going to fold it like this to make it easier to remove the inner roll from the toilet paper. Then I will remove the roll. We will use only the paper. And we will first take the inner part, so it is necessary to remove the roll. I'm sure that cleaning the surfaces of your home will be much more practical and efficient with this use of toilet paper. Finally, we will put the toilet paper in a container with similar size of toilet paper. Being a container with a lid, it is much better to store and keep the aroma fully active. Let's add the mixture gradually on the toilet paper, which will absorb the entire mixture. If you prefer, you can leave it resting for at least an hour to fully absorb the product. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Helen of Alaska from Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For use, we must remove the paper from the inside out. It will be more practical to have no waste of paper. Then just apply directly on the surfaces, without effort or need for sponge or cloths. Only with this toilet paper, you can remove dirt and bring a more pleasant smell to all environments of your home. Tell me what result you got when using this mixture. I hope you get the same result I had. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.